Hi, Keira from Anton here. Welcome back to our teacher series where we will show you everything a teacher needs to know about Anton. Today, I'm going to show you how to assign lessons to your students. Now that you've created your first group, you can now start assigning some homework, which in Anton world is called pinning exercises. We recommend pinning exercises before your students are active so they can see their assignments the first time they log in. To pin exercises, navigate to the Subjects tab in your teacher account. Then select Subject Search, which on the computer is right underneath, or on the phone will be in the top left corner. This pulls up the side panel where you can choose from any of our many subjects. I'm going to start with English Language Arts, and then choose Grade 4. I would like my students to work on their synonyms and antonyms. So, to assign these exercises, I select the Synonyms and Antonyms topic, which takes me to the topic page and shows me all of the levels. Here on the left, you can see the Create Pin button with a thumbtack. I select this button, which creates this pop-up screen. We call this our differentiation panel. I select the group that I would like this exercise to be assigned to. If you have multiple groups, you can choose any from this screen. I can then decide when I would like to have this exercise due, so I will select week. I decide that I would like this to be due next week, so I will select the corresponding button on the left side of the calendar. I can now select Create Pin on the bottom to assign the exercise to my group. You know you are successful when you look at the thumbtack and see the words One Pin. You can assign the same exercises to multiple groups. Now what will this look like for your students? For my student Jackson's account, I'll navigate to the group home screen and voila! The exercise that I just pinned appears in his Content tab in the Clever Clovers group. Jackson can also see clearly that the exercise will be due next week. He can now select this exercise and be led directly to the pinned exercise and start playing the first level right away. And that's it for this tutorial. Subscribe to see more step-by-step tutorial videos on how to use Anton. I hope this has been helpful. Bye!